In this video, I'll show you how to change the background color of a page on WordPress site. To get started, go ahead and open WordPress on your device and sign in into your account. So on your website, go ahead and head over into the Appearance tools under the Appearance button. So click on that Appearance button, which you'll find at the sidebar of your WordPress website account. So click on that, and then once you're taken here, head over into the Editor tab, which you'll find under the Appearance tab. Click on Editor, and under Editor, you'll get redirected into this section where you can actually customize further your website. Wait for this page to load, since this might take a while depending on the strength of your internet connection. Click on the Styles button, which you'll find at the sidebar of your WordPress website customization section, and in here, go ahead and click on Background. So in here, you can simply upload the background image and change the color palette of your website. That's basically how you can change the background color of a page on WordPress site. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.